Ko ano nagpadala ng LBC. We have Washington Athletics. Ganda ng Washington Athletics, oh. And then we have $30 Polo. United States Polo. Okay. We have cotton buds. Cotton swabs in Old Spice. Old Spice and Brief and cotton. And also we have Levi's. Mura lang to, $19 lang. From Canada pa yata to, galing sa sister ko. And then we have Jerry short, and we have a starter shirt, and then briefs. Okay, salamat mommy. God bless. I'm a happy kid now. So dyan muna kayo. Salamat. Na lang ako mag-upload. Hi, thank you Lord for this wonderful day. Del Monte. Nagamit ko na yung isang shirt, white shirt.